Hey y'all, Jay here, and today we're going to tackle Gordon Ramsay's 10 millionth YouTube subscriber burger. So Gordon's burgers have 85% chuck and 15% brisket that we have 1 pound in our bowl. Here's the neat part. We grate frozen butter into the burger itself. Okay? Alright, so now we have that. We're going to season it a little with some Maldon salt and a little bit of black pepper. And we're going to mix this in, and we want to try and make sure that we get it nice and even. And then we're going to separate that out into 2 half-pound patties. Okay? So we have one. We're going to form these. So now we're going to get our burgers on the grill. We're going to add a little oil to them. I'm just going to brush that oil in. Make sure you oil both sides nicely. Okay. Then we're going to get these onto the grill. Gotta love that sizzle. Alright, last thing to do is oil the mushrooms. And we're going to take some oil, just really put some right over the top. Rub it in nicely. Flip it over. Then we want to oil that inside as well. We are going to take our mushroom caps and we are going to put those on the back of the grill. And then we're going to take our bacon and put that on here as well. So we're going to flip over our mushroom caps. And take my bacon off. I flip that over. Put that up there. So we're going to take an egg and just crack it right into the middle. Just like that. Alright, so we flip the burgers and we're going to repeat the same process. We're going to give them a nice little quarter turn so that we get those nice diamond marks. Then we're going to close this up and let it cook. Alright, so next up, I'm going to butter my brioche buns. We're just going to give that a nice chop. Nice piece of Swiss. Right on. Alright, in a small bowl, I'm going to mix my mayo, my sriracha, and a little pinch of salt. Mix this together, and we have some nice Sriracha Mayo here. Just going to give that a little try. Looks really good. Oh yeah. Taste the heat of the sriracha, nice salt, and then the mayo. Delicious. We have our bun we're going to sauce up. Then we have our baby rocket that we're going to use. Then we have a tomato we're going to put on there. Then we're going to take our nice chopped bacon and put that on there. Then our burger is looking beautiful. We're going to put that right on top of there. And then we're going to put our egg and mushroom right on top of there. And then we're going to take a little bit of our Sriracha Mayo and put it on there. There you have it, Gordon Ramsay's 10 million YouTube subscriber burger. Let's give this thing a try. Look at that. Look. Thanks for watching. I'm Jay. Keep watching for more awesome grilling.